Alright, back in Dumaguete, and I'm having some lechon for my first meal. And today we're going to go to the hot springs, just outside the city, about 30 minutes. Yeah, maybe check out some waterfalls, and the rest will be history. Alright, we're on the way, we're almost there to the hot springs. Go to the hot springs or the waterfall first. Yeah, but we can go to the hot springs on the way back as well, it doesn't really matter. Thinking maybe hot springs after, because I might be cold after the waterfall. Man, this jeepney is stacked to the brim, literally. It's all packed up, all stacked up. Everyone's fitting up there. Oh yeah, here we go, check this out guys. Whoa. I want to have a look and see where this is coming from. Oh yeah, it's like bubbling down there. Oh, the sulfur smell is really strong. If you don't know what sulfur smells like, it's like rotten egg. But look at this, it's all coming. This water must be hot. I reckon it is. Holy shit, it's boiling hot. You could cook your noodles in that shit. Fucking Jesus. Well, if you want to go to the hot springs, come here. Jesus. It's super hot. Oh man. I'm gonna go have a look up here. Damn. It's literally boiling here. It's bubbling. Whoa. Whoa. No, I ain't going in there, it reeks. Look at this. It's coming through the cracks in the road. Well, there you go. Far out. I can really feel the heat here. Whoa. Woo! It's all coming through these rocks. This is insane. Whoa. Get a photo. Don't think many people come up here. This is insane. This is insane. Fucking insane. Look at it all. Wow. Sounds like a kettle boiling down there. Do you know what we should do? You know what we should do? We should go buy an egg and boil it here. That'd be cool. You definitely could. There's like so many little pools just bubbling in there, like super hot. You could boil eggs in there. It's awesome. One natural toxic gas. Uh-oh. Maybe cover your mouth. Alrighty, photo's done. Time to get out of this poisonous death trap. Alright, maybe probably to the waterfall. Let's see if I can sneak in. 100 is a bit steep for entry. I wonder, are you coming in?
Yeah.
We'll just go up through here. Let's just hope those people in the car don't rat on us. This might be a bit of a problem, because they'll be like, they would have had no one coming here for the last hour. They just see this foreigner walking around with a GoPro. How the fuck did he get in? Oh, that car's leaving now, so I'll just try and see what happens. Someone gets up to me and just say, oh, I was just walking through the jungle and I stumbled across this place. This magnificent place. And I thought I'd just have a look. Oh, you have to pay? I didn't know you have to pay everything in the Philippines. Let's try. Oop, that was easy. What's going on? Hello. Ooh, what's this? Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Looks like he's just a construction worker. Well, it looks like I'm in, boys. Yes, we are. Oh, it's right here. Better text Nicky and say I made it. So you gotta pay 100 for this, eh? Yeah, no, yeah. No way. There's actually a few people here. They probably wouldn't notice if I just walked out through the front. Woo! Oh, it's not very deep. Super strong. So that's about as far as your boy's getting. Ooh. Very nice. That was a good idea coming here first. Then the hot springs after that will be quite relaxing. Now I'm going to walk through the entrance and see what they say. Why not? Nah. One thing I noticed about sneaking into places is on the way out, no one cares about the way out, really. I'm going to try and walk out now. Ooh, this way. And that is that. Your boy has done it. Your boy has snuck in and saw the waterfalls. And Nicky's still sitting here patiently waiting. What a good girl. It's still there. I certainly did. I did, I got in, it's all on film, you can see later. It's very easy, very, very easy, I told you. Hot Springs seems quite appealing right now, I must say.
Yeah. You're now entering a stress-free zone.
Really?
Is it really?
70 pesos lang.
You got a 50 or something? We have a bunch of locals staring at me again. What are you doing? Oh, right.
Are you going in?
Cool. It's taking Nicky so long. What the hell? Hi. Where the hell is Nicky?
Hot?
Yeah, it's warm. Come on, Nicky.
One time I dropped this in the ocean in Cambodia.
Nice.
Like, it's waterproof. Water, okay. But still, don't do it.
Yeah, I gotta get the thumbnail. But yeah, it's like there's a whole line of ladies there just like staring at me like the whole time. It's so annoying. You gonna get your hair wet? Yeah. Go deeper. Over here. Okay. Thumbnail time. Thumbnail. This would be a good thumbnail. Like this. Good thumbnail. What?
Staring is annoying.
Who's staring?
Hold on.
I know, because they've got nothing better to do than just sit in this pool for hours and stare at me. Oh, I got that hot spring water in my nose again. Oh, the water in here when it gets in your nose, it burns. It must be like the sulfur or something. Because it's not like normal when you get water up your nose, you just blow it out. When you get water up your nose here, it stays and it burns. Like times to it, or through it, or for it. You have to get used to that if you're with a Filipino girl. It's going to constantly get stares everywhere you go. More than you would when you're alone. Well, they'll stare at you and then they'll stare at your girl like intensely. And they'll look her up and down. Damn. Nicky doesn't give a fuck.
Should I?
No, you shouldn't. Keep your legs straight. You gotta keep your legs straight. Got it? Got it. What are you, 47?
Last time I checked it was 44.
44? I must be getting weaker. What are you doing, Nicky? Careful not to get your nose in the water again. Hold on. Like a bucking water. If this is the end of the video, then it is. If not, see you in the next part. Whatever that may be. Peace out.